Just looking sunrise this morning. It's nice and bright out today already. I hope you have a great day.